Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to get more healthy recipes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Today we are presenting a Navratri special Rajgira Roti, consumed while fasting during the Navratris. Rajgira is a superfood with abundant health benefits. Rajgira is known as Amaranth seeds in English, while Totakura ginjalu in Telugu. Rajgira means the royal grain, is also known as Ramdana, the god's grain in some parts of India, because of its powerful health benefits. They are rich in minerals like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc, manganese, and copper, and vitamins like vitamin C, niacin, alpha tocopherol, and vitamin B6, B2, and B9. It is rich in protein and the dietary fiber as well. Let's quickly sneak into the health benefits of the royal grain of Rajgira. It is rich in easy to digest protein which builds the body muscles. It is rich in calcium and iron that improves the bone health. It improves immunity. It is good for your heart health. It is a gluten-free grain, hence helps in fighting obesity and diabetes. It is easy to digest and at the same time has the qualities to improve digestion of your food. It can help with anemia. It is rich in folate, which is beneficial for pregnant women. Rajgira oil improves hair and skin health. It helps in fighting inflammation. Now let's see the ingredients. Rajgira flour 2 cups, 200 grams. Blackgram flour 40 grams. Transfer the Rajgira flour into a mixing bowl. Add Blackgram flour to it and mix them well with your hand. Now mix the flour, adding lukewarm water in smaller quantities till the dough becomes soft for kneading. Rajgira is not sticky like wheat as it doesn't contain any gluten. Hence we use Blackgram flour for binding. Warm water helps in making the dough softer. Follow some of these simple steps to make perfect dough for the rotis. Close the lid and let the dough to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's the time to roll the dough. Roll the dough as shown on your screen and cut them into balls of your desired size. Keep the dough balls aside and roll one of the balls on the rolling pad in the form of a disc. Dust the ball with some flour on both sides and roll the rotis, or some call them the chapatis, with a rolling pin. Gluten-free flours like jowar, bajra, or as a matter of fact, any millet doesn't get rolled without mixing Blackgram flour. It is the reason why they were traditionally prepared by beating the dough with fingers. Now heat a pan and bake the rotis. From time to time, flip and revolve the roti with a hand or spatula to bake evenly on both sides and also the edges. Once it starts puffing, you can place the roti directly on the flame to puff more. The puffed rotis are called pulkas as they puff. Flip and puff on the other side as well. That's it. A super healthy, gluten-free Rajgira roti is ready. Serve hot with your favorite curry and enjoy. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.